Hey guys, this is Corey Malcolm, the Ibex Regional Sales Manager. We're going to be walking through the 10LH RK, which stands for Little Horn Rear Kitchen. Let's go take a look. All right, now starting at the front of the 10LH RK Ibex, we're going to hold the same construction as our other products. So we're looking at a full aluminum frame construction, 1000 gel coat fiberglass, the nice diamond plate to protect you from road debris, along with Azdel composite panels that are behind your fiberglass. Not just on the front wall, but our side walls and our rear wall as well. Okay, starting at the front, most units sub 3,000 pounds are not going to come with a nice automatic power tongue jack with a 20-pound propane bottle and a nice 7-way cable holder. Now, right under here, you're going to have your nice battery disconnect switch along with a tire pressure monitoring system repeater. What does this repeater do? So most 18-wheelers on the road today will have this sort of tire pressure monitoring system on their trailers and on their trucks. With this, it's going to be a shield bubble around your unit so we can give you the perfect readings coming from your trailer to your truck. On the door side of the 10LH RK, we're going to see a nice large compartment door. Okay, nice magnetic catches in here for your manual jacks. This one here will be for the manual override for the power tongue jack, along with your manual jack for the stabilizers. We're going to have a 300-pound capacity wheel well here. So if you want to get up, get on top of your roof, or maybe set up the tent, you're going to have 300 pounds of capacity here, along with the nice Goodyear Wrangler tires. Okay, this stem will inform you that this is going to be a tire pressure monitoring system. A very nice feature where you're going to know not just the pressure, but the temperature of your tires as well. The way we achieve that is with the band wrapped around the wheel for more accurate readings, but typically aftermarket features of tire pressure monitoring system will just give you the stem where it's going to tell you the pressure of the tire. We're going above and beyond giving you the band for accurate reading, along with telling you the temperature of the tire as well. Under here, you're going to notice a lot of customers don't realize that you must look underneath the unit to realize what type of construction, what type of performance the trailer will have. The Curt independent suspension is a beautiful suspension that has no live axle that goes across. It's going to reduce the bucking, the swaying, and especially in something this small, you're going to want the safest, most comfortable ride possible. Under here, you're going to also have a fully enclosed underbelly that's going to protect all the wires, the tanks, the plumbing, something that most trailers in this size will not come with. Up top, you're going to notice another exclusive feature that Ibex will have. It's from Rhino-Rack. You're going to have a 270-degree batwing awning that fully extends all the way to the rear of your unit, giving you just more camping space, more square footage to enjoy your camping experience. Let's walk back into one of the most beautiful sights of this 10LH RK, the rear kitchen, okay? You're going to get a nice size 12-volt refrigerator, okay? A sink that has a drain, okay? Most trailers in this size will not come with a drain. It'll just be a nice little shower pan. You're going to have a slide-out 2-burner stovetop with the nice cast iron, and then a nice little storage area under your sink. Below this storage area, you're going to see a nice 2-inch receiver where you can store, you know, a bike or a cargo rack, whatever you'd like to do on the back of your unit. You're going to have a nice high-pressure spray port with a 30-foot coiled hose. Heck, this 30-foot coiled hose, you can spray down this whole unit if you'd like to. Coming over to the off-door side of the 10LH RK, you're going to notice a massive 4-person blackout free spirit tent. Okay, what's nice in such a small unit that's sub 3,000 pounds, you can have 2 people sleep in the inside with a true 60 by 80 queen size bed, along with 2 adults or possibly 3 kids up in this blackout tent. Before I go into the Ibex 10LH RK, there's a couple items that I'd like to show. First, it's going to be the tire pressure monitoring system. This is going to be a monitor that's going to go into your truck. This is going to be what's telling you what your pressure and the temperature are on your tire. Second is going to be the JBL exclusive feature. It's going to provide you premium audio. It's waterproof down to 30 meters, along with tethering 99 of these things together to have a nice little party. Now, in something this small, at 15 feet, sub 3,000 pounds, what's difficult is to fit a bathroom in here. And we've heard that from our customers on the 10LHG. So on the 10LH RK, we provided you the Thetford Porta Potty 345. And then also, another thing that's going to come standard on the Ibex on top of your roof is going to be the Rhino-Rack J Cradle that you're going to be able to fit a kayak rack on top of your unit if you'd like. Now let's go inside. Now that we're sitting in the Ibex 10LH RK, you're going to notice it's pretty comfortable in here. Really, I mean, you got a window, you got a side-mounted air conditioner, you have outlets behind me, USB ports, nice little side tables in case it's a rainy day where you have to sit inside. You have a nice place to eat. Behind you on the camera, you're going to see a nice 5,000 BTU fireplace. You're going to have a 12-volt 32-inch TV, and say, hey, you know, you guys want to get out, you know, away from people or just boondocking, and you can't use your air conditioner. You have a nice 12-volt max air fan right above you, where you're going to have plenty of cross-air ventilation through the entrance doors or through this window here. Okay, over here you're going to have your nice little system. You know, underneath, where I didn't mention on the outside, you're going to have a 30-gallon fresh tank. Okay, a 30-gallon fresh tank and something that's 15 feet long. Think of that. Now that we're back outside of the 10LH RK Ibex, I want to show you a couple other things here. The cable and satellite hookup that goes up to the 360-degree wind guard omnidirectional satellite. You're going to have a nice solar port here where you can plug in one of those solar suitcases. So if you have that solar suitcase, you can take it wherever the sun is shining and be able to charge your batteries. Over here, you're going to have your city water connection and then your fresh water connection that goes, like I mentioned, inside that 30-gallon fresh tank with that 12-volt heat pad on it. And that kind of concludes the Ibex 10LH RK. For more information, visit www.forestriverinc.com/ibex. See you by the campfire.